Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Sorry for the lateness of the video today. Very busy day. I will get into that later. You'll see tomorrow. I'll explain everything tomorrow. But anyway, things are heating up. So I wanted to talk about this because this is definitely not a good development. And hopefully cooler heads can prevail in this situation. But Iran has shot down one of our drones. And they were saying it was in their airspace. We were saying that it was in international airspace. So, the real story we will probably never know if it was over their territory, if it was in international space. But obviously, not a very smart move in the case of Iran to shoot down one of our drones. I mean, that is a blatant thing. So, that is definitely amps things up. And unfortunately, I think you're going to see an escalation in things from this point forward. I was hoping that things would de-escalate, but unfortunately, it does not look like that's going to be the case. Now, Russia has already warned that they're not going to want to see any provocation or attack on our part against Iran. So, this could turn into a very sticky, bad situation in a hurry. And so like I said, again, I don't think it's a great situation. Not real positive about it, what the outcome might end up being. The last thing we need, guys, as far as I'm concerned, is going to war again. So hopefully they can get things resolved. But it's not looking good, unfortunately. So we will definitely have to keep an eye on that and monitoring that situation. But I definitely want to hear what your guys' feedback is on it. I got to take these off. I'm sorry. I definitely want to hear what your guys' feedback is on that, with what's going on. So, very crazy situation, very scary situation, because it could lead to an escalation to a lot worse things that could come from that. So, like I said, I want to hear your guys' input on this. What do you think of this situation? So, not good at all as far as I'm concerned. I wanted to address something. I addressed it again last night in the live stream, but I wanted to put it in today's video as well. YouTube is playing a lot of games, okay? They are unsubscribing people. They are turning off the bell notifications on people. They're taking away the likes and all kinds of craziness. So, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you can get updates. I post every day. And I do the live stream 3 days a week. I do my live stream every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So look for that every week. You will see that every week, okay? So I wanted to put that out there. And so, again, if you are a subscriber and you just make sure that your bell icon's turned on. I haven't been taking any days off in a while. So, and I generally, if I do take a day off, it's a day. So I'm always, pretty much always around, always posting every day. So just wanted to put that out there. So if you're one of my longtime subscribers, please make sure you're still subscribed. I've had a lot of people contact telling me that they were unsubscribed. Their bell notifications were turned off, like I said, and stuff like that. And the other thing I wanted to put out there, I talked with Mike, my IT guy, and we have decided, because of the situation of what is going on right now with the whole Iran situation, where this could lead to, we're going to do a sale starting tonight. It's actually up on the website right now at preppernurse1.com. We're going to do a 25% discount on any kind of bucket meal that you purchase from the website. So if you have been thinking about getting long-term food storage, now would be the time to do it. If the situation turns worse with this whole Iran situation, and I'm not a big fearmonger, guys, so I'm not trying to scare anybody, but it's better. I'm a big believer. It's better to be safe than sorry. So if you're looking to add to your free food, long-term food storage, this is an opportunity. Again, we're running this sale from now until the end of the month on the 30th. So, and that will end midnight West Coast time on the 30th, which will be 3 a.m. July 1st East Coast time. So that it's like 11 days, 10 days is we're going to be running this sale. So just wanted to put that out there, and I want to do that for you guys if you were interested in getting the long-term food storage. So like I said, very, very busy day today, and I will explain everything tomorrow in tomorrow's video when I do tomorrow's video. But made a decision, and kind of had to in a way, and I will explain all that tomorrow. Good decision though, nothing bad, but it was definitely a move that I needed to make. So I definitely did that. So you will see that all tomorrow when I do my video tomorrow during the day. Chickens are doing good. We had a day today here at the homestead. So woke up this morning and I said, okay, I'm going to go get the dogs out. So I could hear it raining. It was, nice light rain. And so I knew today was going to be rain all day. So I get up, and as soon as I got dressed, it started to downpour. And I mean, I'm talking downpour. Well, puppies still got to go outside. They still got to go to the toilet. So I took the puppies out, and it was just torrential downpour. Crazy. A lot of rain today here at the homestead. It finally stopped raining probably 7 o'clock tonight. But I mean, literally all day long. A lot of rain. They had a lot of flooding going on. There was flash flood warnings from last night from the rain that we had last night. So we had a lot of rain here at the homestead too. I was like, okay now. Yeah, it was pretty wild. So, but like I said, I was doing some run around, and then I did something else. And like I said, not a bad thing, positive thing as far as I'm concerned. But definitely something that I had to do. And like I said, tomorrow you will see all that. I will explain everything. So I hope everybody's doing well. Again, guys, be cautious in what's going on. Pay attention, because this could escalate very, very quickly. Very, very scary stuff going on right now with this whole situation. Bug. They come in with the nights and the lights. Yeah. So anyway, I got them though. So anyway, again, just be cautious of what's going on. Pay attention. Amp up your preps, guys. I know I've talked about this a lot. I've been talking about amping up your preps for quite a while now, and I've been doing the same thing myself, and just trying to be as ready as I possibly can be. So please do the same, and just be safe, guys. I mean, really, it's crazy, crazy stuff going on in the world, and so we all need to be very, very careful. So I had to do the video inside because it is 9 o'clock at night, and it's dark outside. So I said, well, I'll just sit here where I got my lights and stuff, and I can do a good video for you guys. Again, like I said, the situation, not good. Can't say that I'm really looking at a positive outlook on this, where it comes, what's going to come of it. I think, they've now stepped on America's toes, and there will be some kind of retaliation. I mean, how bad that's going to be, we're going to have to wait and see. But not a good situation. Not a good situation at all. So anyway, guys, remember, we are all in this together. That's important to remember. And, try to stay positive as much as you possibly can be. Remember, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. And, remember, guys, STD. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from getting there is you. Nobody else can stop you, okay? So stay positive, stay away from negativity, and you're going to do fine, okay? Negative people want to bring you down, so don't let those negative people bring you down. All right, guys, well, I will see you all tomorrow. This video, so I'm going to get this up right away for you guys, and so I will see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow, again, I'll do a video earlier. Look for me at the live stream tomorrow night at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and we will do a topic. We'll see what happens, okay? So I will see you all later. Have a great night. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now. Oh, actually, guys, I wanted to show you. Hold on, before I jump off of here. I just got these in the mail, and these came from Gary. So I'm going to show you these real quick. And so I got that one. That's pretty cool, huh? So we sent that flag. And honestly, he's going to have to tell me what this other flag is, because I am not sure what country this is. But there is the other one. And I probably have that upside down. Let me do that. I think that probably was upside down, yes. So there's the other flag. Now, if you guys could tell me, or Gary tell me what flag that is, I do not know. But he just sent those 2 flags. I got to get more flagpoles, guys. So, yeah. All right. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.